If you're looking for a very easy and simple cookie recipe, try out these chewy, soft, and very delicious peanut butter cookies, which are going to be a favorite in your house. With very few ingredients and taking less than 30 minutes to prepare, your cookies will be ready to snack on or to keep in your lunchbox or even your kids' snack box. The cookies have a very nice peanutty taste, and for this recipe I've used smooth peanut butter. You can also use crunchy peanut butter, but I'm a smooth peanut butter fan all the way. You're going to start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Next, you're going to line a baking tray with parchment paper, just like mine. In your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in your peanut butter. This is smooth peanut butter. Add in your margarine or softened butter. And using a hand mixer, you're going to whip up the peanut butter together with the margarine until smooth. This is how your peanut butter and margarine is going to be looking like after whipping for around a minute. And as you can see, it's very light and smooth. So next you're going to add in your sugar, whip up for around 1 minute until fully combined with the peanut butter and margarine. Then next we're going to add in baking powder and baking soda. Mix in together with the butter. You're going to add in your all-purpose flour into the butter and mix in with your spatula. So I'm going to add in intervals as I mix in using my spatula, folding into the very aromatic butter because of the peanut butter. Add in the rest of the flour. Carefully fold in. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the bowl so that all the all-purpose flour can get fully combined. Once a dough is formed just like this, you're going to use a tablespoon to scoop out your batter so that you can make your delicious cookies. So I'm going to put on my gloves, take my baking tray, and using my spoon, I'm going to scoop out a tablespoon of my delicious dough, and then I'm going to mold into a ball just like this. Place on my baking tray, and then I'm going to finish up making the rest. The dough is going to be soft once you're done mixing in your flour into the batter. So very quickly, I'm going to finish off scooping out my dough. When done, you're going to use a fork and press down on the dough just to make a very nice pattern. So you're going to press down diagonally and vertically, just like that. And once you're done, you're going to be baking your peanut butter cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 13 minutes. Wow, my first round of peanut butter cookies is ready and it's looking perfectly baked and just gorgeous. So I'm going to wait for around a minute so that the cookies can cool a little bit. Then I'm going to be transferring into my cooling rack so that the cookies can cool completely. Add in my next round, which I've already prepped up over here. And then we're going to be baking for another 12 to 13 minutes until the cookies have a very nice golden brown bottom and the top is nicely baked. So I'm going to keep this aside. And I'm going to be showing you another way that you can present your peanut butter cookies. So I'm going to pick my dough, place it on my parchment paper, just like this. Make sure they are evenly spaced. And then using a flat bottom and a parchment paper, I'm going to press down on the dough, just like this, just a little bit. The parchment paper is going to help the dough not to stick on your flat surface. Press down on your dough using your fork to make the crisscross pattern. Just like this. And once done, it's time to bake. So my cookies have been cooling for around 3 minutes. They're still warm, but they're looking perfectly baked and gorgeous. My second round of cookies is ready, and as you can see, it has turned out so good and looking very delicious. So this is a very nice way that you can include cookies in your kids' lunchbox or snack box, or even enjoy the cookies yourself with a cup of tea or even juice. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out these easy and simple peanut butter cookies.